Hi, my name's Kip, and today I'm going to show you how to install our IllumiGlow LED fountain lights into our handcrafted bubbling rock fountain kits. Inside each of these rocks, and by the way, these are nice and light, easy to pick up and carry, but inside each one of these is this handy dandy little fitting that we have that is wrapped around the concrete so that it's nice and firm and can't come out. Inside this fitting is this Plume adapter, and the Plume adapter seats right down inside this fitting inside the rock. So if you want to have a nice low plume where the water just cascades naturally over it, there's not a lot of height to it, then you would remove this fitting and just discard it. But if you want that water to come up a little bit higher, then you're going to insert this into the rock and just press down in it, and the water will shoot up a little higher than that. To install the light, what we're going to do is remove the Plume adapter, and you're going to take the opposite end of the light cord and you're going to feed that down through your plumbing. Bring the light cord down through the center of the rock's plumbing, and then align the light cord with the notch in the gray fitting that's attached to the hose. Once you've done that, you'll be able to connect the gray collar and tighten that down onto the plumbing fitting. Once you've fed the cord through the rock, then you're going to take your LED light, you're going to remove this bottom piece. You will not be using that, and then this will actually take the place of the Plume adapter and just nicely nest down inside the rock, hidden from view. And at night, as the Plume will be illuminated with a multiple of colors.